This morning when I got up, I looked at the lake and I thought, this is gorgeous. I can paint this. And I painted, but the painting had other ideas. I still think it's beautiful, and here's how it went. Stay tuned. Here we go. All right, so we're using Sherwin-Williams Oceanside. And next color I'm going to use is Atelier's Blue Black. I think this will be beautiful. And I'm going to do a blowout is what I'm going to do today. So let me see. Let's start with it all in a circle here. Oh, it's going to be so beautiful. Next up, Liquitex Phthalo Blue. Liquitex Phthalo Blue. Little bit of Amsterdam's greenish blue. Amsterdam Titanium White. Just a little bit of that. And then next we've got Payne's Gray by Liquitex. This is going to give it that definition that I'm looking for. I see it's all slid. Let's slide it back a little bit. This is Lumiere Neptune. Okay, and then we have Lumiere Blue-Green Shift. Oh, such a beautiful color. Look at that. Oh, I see a bubble. Oh, that happens. Bubbles happen. Next, Lumiere Turquoise. It's going to be fun to see if this actually works, what I've got in my mind. All these are colors I've made up for other reasons, so they were in kind of my scrap stack stash, I call it. Oh, what a great color. I think I love that color. And then we're going to do Halo Blue Gold. It's supposed to look like cracked glass when I get this done. Okay. Let's move it back to the middle. All right. Next comes our cell activator. And our blower. Here we go. It looks like a bloom so far, doesn't it? That's going to change when I start spinning it. Although I do love it just like it is a lot. I almost want to just spin it and keep it, but it doesn't look like cracked glass yet. Oh, that is gorgeous. Let's give it a little spin, see what it does. It's extremely beautiful. It almost looks like I've got purples and greens. Oh, not cracked glass. Okay, so next step, let's torch it. I'm probably going to regret this, but I'm going to put a marble on. I've got a marble here. I'm going to put a marble on and roll it right through. And I kind of don't want to do it because it's so cool. But here we go. We're going to go right through the middle. Here we go. Right off the other side. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I really like that, but that's not it yet. Look at that. I mean, gosh, it's almost like a butterfly or something. That is gorgeous. Or a, wow. What can I do with that? That's the thing about fluid art is it decides what it wants to be. That's really cool. But okay, so we're going to do another marble. And this time we're going to go here. And we're going to go right across like the lake looks. And here we go. Not looking quite like a lake yet. All right. And we got one more marble to go. And let's go on this one. Start here. And we're going across. What I'm trying to get the look of is like the way the lake stacks the colors. Okay. Here we are so far. Let's look at the beautiful colors in it. All right. It is gorgeous. Okay, time to spin to see what happens. Oh, it's covering really well. Look at that. It does not look like a lake yet. I don't know about this, but I love how it looks. Let's see if we can stretch it and spin it a little bit more. It's actually come out gorgeous. It almost, I don't know what to call it. It's very abstract and very beautiful. I don't think I nailed the cracked lake look. But I nailed something else. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's fix up the sides a little bit here. Put a little paint on the sides so that it's completely covered. I love how it looks so much that I'm not going to keep spinning it because I'm afraid I'll lose this great look. Look at that. Let's put some more paint on the sides here. This is acrylic paint, by the way, if you're interested in fluid art. This is acrylic paint that I'm using. You might have some. Look at that. And one more spot here. We're going to spin just a little more, but this is really beautiful. With any kind of art like this, especially fluid art, you start out with one thing in mind and then life has other things in mind for you. Let's look at this under the light. See if I can move it off. I'm going to tip it up so you can see the gorgeous colors of it. Look at how it is in the light. I'm going to do a close-up for you. Look at this close-up. Wow. Can you see all this shimmering? Wow. I'll try to tip it a little bit for you here. Look at this. Wow. This was not what I expected, but I love it. And let's see, we're going to tip it this way just a little more so that it kind of all looks planned, let's say, even though it isn't. I want to bring this bloom over here just a little more that way. It came out beautiful. Wow, this would go in my living room. Wow, beautiful. Love it. Let's spin one more time because we still have a lot of paint on it. Well, I didn't nail Frozen Lake like I hoped to, but I did nail This Is Beautiful on a wall. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to take it over to the drying table and put it under the light, put some music with it so we can look at it. And hey, I want to thank you if you've joined today and you're watching. I want to thank you if you've subscribed or made a comment. Those are all fantastic. I love this community that we're forming. And hey, I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.